Hey Norm, we have a new event coming up for Smart Money Wealth. It's going to be the exact same one as this one here, the Tax Minimization Masterclass. So it's pretty much unchanged. Can you just go into ClickFunnels, clone this funnel, this one here? So there will be two in ClickFunnels. So just clone the original one to this one. There was another one, I think it was like a case study one with a construction worker as the event. But copy this one here, and it's going to be on the 1st of September, Saturday, 1st of September. I'll get you the address, same time, everything's going to be the same, but just jump in and change the time, the date, make sure you change that, the countdown timer, and anywhere that it's mentioned here, so change all the event details. I'll get you the address and we can update the image of the location. And also jump in and create a new list in his active campaign. Create a new list and connect that all up with exactly the same emails, the same SMS reminders, everything the exact same as before. But it's going to be for Gosford, so just name it in brackets Gosford or something like that. So new list in active campaign, new landing page, going to be pretty much unchanged there, except for the location and the date and time. So can you just get working on that and let me know when it's all finished and connected, and then we can start testing that flow. Thanks.